Happy Wednesday! Highly anticipated Fed meeting. Everyone out there knows the Fed is cutting rates 0.25%. And guess what? That happened. The Federal Reserve cut rates 0.25%. And of course, that was Fed funds rates and prime rate. Everyone was hoping it would be mortgage rates. And did not happen. But if you've been watching my videos, you probably knew this was a strong possibility. So mortgage rates actually went up a little bit today after the Federal Reserve meeting was adjourned, after their dot plot came out. Then we saw most lenders and banks repricing their rate sheets or making interest rates worse. So, bummer. Oh, why is that? How can that even happen? The quick answer is the dot plot that I mentioned. See, a dot plot, what it does is forecast what the Federal Reserve plans on doing for rate cuts. And we had numerous Fed members that thought there should be no more rate cuts this year, while we had other Fed members saying there should be 2 or more. So a lot of just conflict going on at the Federal Reserve right now. And also you have Jerome Powell coming out and using words like there are no risk-free paths, meaning that like there's still inflation risks. So we should keep interest rate high. On the flip side, we have a weakening labor market, so we should lower interest rates. But at the end of the day, kind of all this mixed bag and uncertainty, it was not good for the bond market, and the bond market did not love it. And so that's why we're actually seeing mortgage rates get a little bit worse this afternoon than they were this morning. But be grateful. They're still a heck of a lot better than they were a month or two ago. Really coming down from, over 7%. They touched down to about 6.1 this morning. They're up around 6.2 here this afternoon, but still a heck of a lot better than we've seen in the past. And I have been locking some interest rates in the 5s. Yeah, they have a little bit of points with them, but at the end of the day, there are some really good loan options out there, considering where we were just a month or two ago. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call. Happy Wednesday.